Hi viewers, you are welcome to today's tutorial. I have this Jamb question. A palm fruit dropped to the ground from the top of a tree 45 meters tall. How long does it take to reach the ground? This question is a very simple question, and the question says the height of the tree is 45 meters. Solution. And we are looking for time. How long does it take to reach the ground? One thing we have to know is, since the palm fruit is dropping, the initial velocity will be 0 meter per second, and at the same time we need to note that our acceleration due to gravity is 10 meter per second square, because this is a motion under gravity. So next thing is to write out our equations of motion, which will now be V is equals to U plus or minus gt. H is equals to ut plus or minus 1 over 2 gt square, and v square v square is equals to u square plus or minus 2gh. So now let's look at the equation that has all these parameters here. We have height, time, the initial velocity, acceleration due to gravity. If you look at the second one here, h is equals to ut plus or minus 1 over 2 gt square. It has all the parameters listed here, so we can use the second equation. So let's solve. H is equals to ut plus or minus 1 over 2 gt square. From this equation, the height is 45 meters, so where we have height, we write 45. Where we have initial velocity u, we put 0 multiplied by time plus 1 over 2 times 10 times t square. You will realize that I use plus and not minus. Why did I use the plus? Because the motion is acting in the direction of gravitational influence. The ball is dropping under gravitational influence. If it's going against gravity, that means it's going upward. The sign here should be minus. So let's continue to solve. 45 is equals to 0, 0 times t is 0, plus 1 over 2 times 10 will give us 5t square. And at this point, that means we are supposed to have 45 is equals to 5t square. Divide both sides by 5. When you divide both sides by 5, we are supposed to have 9 is equals to t square. Find the square root of both sides. That means 9 square root of 9 is equals to square root of t square. Square root cancel the square here. 3 is equals to the time. Therefore, our time is equals to 3 seconds. So this is how to solve questions like this. This question is actually from the topic motion under gravity. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel, and wait for more solutions. Bye.